Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you on a transformative journey where you'll tap into the deep reservoirs of wisdom within your body. Let go of stress and tension as you connect with your inner self and unlock the healing power of conscious thought. Allow yourself to sink into a state of deep relaxation as we prepare to embark on this guided visualization journey. Find the comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your body. Feel yourself becoming lighter with each breath, as if a gentle wave of relaxation is washing over you. Enter the woods. Imagine yourself in a serene, natural setting, surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of flowing water. You are completely at peace, enveloped in a sense of tranquility. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this scene, allowing yourself to experience the sights, the sounds, and sensations of this tranquil oasis. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out, anchoring you to the present moment. With each breath, feel a sense of calm spreading throughout your body, melting away any tension, melting away any discomfort. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize the warm, golden light radiating from the center of your being. This light is the essence of your inner wisdom. This is the connection to the infinite wisdom of the universe. Allow this light to expand, filling every cell of your body with its healing energy. With each inhale, feel this light growing brighter and more radiant, illuminating every corner of your being. With each exhale, feel yourself letting go of any doubts, fears, or negative emotions that may be weighing you down. Now, bring your awareness to any areas of your body that may be holding tension or discomfort. With each breath, visualize this golden light gently penetrating these areas, soothing away any pain or discomfort. Feel a sense of deep relaxation spreading throughout your body, as if you are being enveloped in a cocoon of healing energy. Take a few moments to simply bask in this feeling of relaxation and well-being. Know that you are deeply connected to the wisdom of your body and that you have the power to heal yourself from within. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Gently stretch your body and open your eyes. And don't forget to take a moment to thank yourself. Thank yourself for taking the time to nurture your body and the soul that you are. Thank you.